All right, good morning. Check this one out here. This is a Silverado with the max trailering package. So this is a Silverado LT with the max trailering package. When you get the max trailering package, you get the camper, towing, trailering mirrors, whatever you want to call them. A little bit different rear end springs, so you have a better payload capacity, so you can handle more weight. Just a standard LT in the mosaic black, which is a metallic black. This one does have a block heater. So when you get the max trailering package, you'll notice on a half ton, it makes a pretty big difference in what your max payload is. This one's 2,066 pounds. Your conventional trailer weight towing, which if you look right there, is 11,100. Max tongue weight is 1,110. And then gooseneck is 10,700. Max tongue weight would be 16.5 then as well, which is a big improvement over the standard half ton. With all the max trailering packages, you do get your built-in brake controller, color touch display with backup camera with trailer app where you can hook it up and see where your, do your whole trailer light cycle test, see if you have an issue, and it'll actually show you where your wiring issue is, whether it's on the truck, it's on the wiring, or it's on the trailer, which is pretty slick. They have the different tow haul mode, so you got your tow haul mode, you also have your sport performance mode, and then an off-road mode as well for your different driving modes. This one does have a heated steering wheel, heated seats, dual climate control. MSRP on this one's pretty reasonable at $52,570. You'll notice 5.3 liter without dynamic fuel management. This has got a 9.76 rear axle, a heavy duty alternator, trailer brake controller, enhanced cooling radiator, and revised shock tuning. Heavy duty rear springs because of that, and an increased GAWR, which is gross axle weight rating. This one does have a spring-in bed liner, remote release tailgate,